I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello.
Hey yo, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Prissy. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So in this video, I'm going to show you what an affordable hotel looks like in Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so let's just head right into it. When you come right in, on your left, towards the left, you see the TV. And do you know one interesting part about this TV? Watch. Oh, Netflix! So you can just Netflix and chill. Okay, so and then over here we have the breakfast area where you, and I love these curtains, you know, silky, and I love them. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. And this is the room area. This is the bed. This is a standard bed. Slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should. And there we have the telephone to dial the number or whatever. I brought in a bottle of water, so there's no complimentary water. You have to come with yours. And this is the wardrobe. In here you would usually have the towel and a robe, but I didn't make use of it. There's a safe box right here, hangers. Yeah, it's just basic, but I like the lighting. Every single second I just feel like I should say I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Comes with this very cute mirror here. It's a full mirror so you can see yourself from head to toe. And we move on to the bathroom. I'm going to leave the price of this room on the screen right now so you know how much it cost. And this is me. I feel like I need to take a picture over here. What do you think? I'll do that right away. Been telling you to make you believe that the Unfortunately, there's no complimentary breakfast, and I think the cheapest food here it's about 3,000 plus, say almost 4,000 naira. So be ready. If you're coming, you can come with your snacks, and then maybe you can buy food here, okay? Or you can go out. You can always go out and go to the restaurant and get food to eat. All right. See.
Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing? You're just one lost soul, here to break the mold. When you see me, do you believe in a higher love? Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on the better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me the sun.
watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down there and tell me you would like to see more. I always like you to leave a comment. Just tell me something nice in the comment section. Until my next video, bye.
Somebody let the sun come up again.